Looking for downtown living and modern updates? Let's check out this 4-bedroom home.
Welcome inside 332 Saunders Street.
This spacious home features multiple living areas and flexible spaces.
And the bright dining room overlooks the renovated kitchen with solid surface countertops and tile backsplash.
The large family room features patio doors overlooking the back deck and yard, and a new full bathroom with laundry.
In addition to modern features like natural gas and new flooring throughout the main level,
the home maintains its original charm with beautiful millwork and a stained glass window.
Upstairs you'll find 4 more bedrooms, a den, and another full bathroom.
The sunny primary bedroom features its own private balcony.
Thanks for watching. For more information on 332 Saunders Street,
visit frederictonhomes.com.